Good afternoon, everyone. All right, so this is the follow-up video to the one I had a couple days ago on how I was grinding my chef knives, and there's one of them right there. All right, now it's hard to describe it, but the profile on these, okay, where as opposed to being completely flat, there's a crown. I don't think I can get it on camera here, but it's yeah, I guess we can see a little bit of it. Okay, see how that there's a high spot right in the center. Now, the reason I grind them like that is similar to the actual edge bevel. I had a sharpening video here back last year, and that showed how I did that apple seed grind where it was, it had a concave edge to it where it's not completely flat, straight angle. And what that does is it helps to cut, especially on a chef knife, and especially one like this where it's top to bottom. It pushes whatever you're cutting out of the way. All right, and it lessens the resistance on the blade. That's probably the best way to explain it. When you're cutting down, it's hitting, of course, on the edge there, but it's pushing it, like I said, away, and it's narrower at the top too. So when you're pushing that blade through, there's nowhere near as much resistance as there would be on a flat ground blade. Okay, so we'll just show everybody how that works here. All right, paper first. Okay. Yeah, that's sharp. But paper's nothing. Okay. Cardboard. Now, cardboard isn't a really good thing to cut with your chef knife, but it's a good example. Okay, it's not hugely thick, but it's thick enough. All right, got that easy. Leather. That's 11-ounce leather, real thick. If I can do this without cutting my finger. That's sharp. Okay, fell in my coffee cup. I'll have to fix that. Anyway, look at the tiger on that sucker. Whew, my goodness. Mercy. Now, it's even better on that side. These were extra ones that I had made up in a run that I had here just recently with a whole bunch of other knives that I'm working on. Hudson Bays are just about not too far from being done here. Everybody had those on order. But these actually are going to be up for sometime this coming week here. Or even Saturday. No, probably not Saturday because I got to make a listing and everything. So everybody on my wait list will get a notification that these are up on there. So if you're interested there, just join the wait list and you'll get an email. Everybody that's on there already, well, you know how the deal works there. So anyway, these are the way I do my chef knives, and they work really good. So thanks for watching, everybody. Got a lot more coming. Appreciate it. Thanks again for liking and subscribing if you haven't already, and we'll catch everybody in the next one. Thanks again.